Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide posts from someone on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is super useful to do, as perhaps you no longer like them or for any other reason. To go and get started, we need to go ahead to their profile so you can go and find them. There are different ways you can do this. For example, I'll just go and search for them and then came to it. Then what you need to do is go to the top right. There you will go and see the three dots, which you need to go and click on. And finally, all you need to do is click on block. This is the best way. After this, they won't be able to message you, find your profile, or even see your posts. It's that simple. Just block them. You can unblock them later if you change your mind. So that's it. That is how to hide posts from someone on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.